Hey guys, today I'm going to try to wear a sari, and I don't know how to wear a sari. I don't know how to wear a sari, so let's see what happens. Wow, this samosa is so good. I don't even like fried things that much, but this samosa I've eaten every day for the past I don't know how many days. Whew, it's bad, but it's good. Having braces is so annoying because food always gets stuck. But also it's kind of cool because food is stuck and then you forget about it, and then like 5 hours later when you feel hungry you just like look around your braces and then you find food. That is so gross. Cut that out. So today I am trying to wear a sari, and I've never worn a sari before. That's not true. I've worn a sari once before for my high school graduation, and my mom did it for me because it's kind of complicated. And like I have a wedding coming up that I'm going to attend, and I kind of feel like I want to wear a sari for it. So okay. And I also don't have a sari blouse, so I'm wearing this top that I have, and I don't have like the petticoat thingy that goes under the sari, so I'm just wearing these shorts because this is not the real thing. I'm just doing this for fun, so it doesn't matter anyways. Okay, let's go. Okay, and I'm just warning you, this is not gonna turn out well, so don't expect much. This is the sari. This is my mom's sari. I found it from her closet. She has so many saris. I mean, she doesn't buy a lot of saris, but she has so many saris from just years of wearing saris, I guess. So there was quite a big collection to choose from, and I love this sari. I love like the color, so I'm gonna try to wear this one. Firstly, I'm gonna open it. Okay, let me tell you, I really don't know how to wear a sari, so we'll see how this goes. It doesn't matter, right? Because this is a no judgment zone. Okay, I opened the whole thing up. Okay, so the sari at the bottom has this thing called a fall that is supposed to go on the bottom where your feet are, and that's how you know where it starts, kind of, I guess. This is the end. I'm gonna tuck it in my fake petticoat, I guess. I really don't know what I'm doing. And I know you put it around, so it goes around once, and then you start to make the pleats, I believe. I'm just trying to remember what my mom does and then replicate. She makes the pleats look so easy. And how many pleats are you supposed to put? I don't know. I don't even know how many I have. I think it's subjective how many pleats you put depending on how like big or small you are, because you don't want like too much left over, because the what's left over becomes like the palla that goes over like over here. So you just make the pleats till you run out of sari, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I think I have enough pleats. And then so you take these pleats, whatever you have in your hand, and then you just tuck it inside what would be your petticoat. Then what's left? I think you go around once more. Did I do this right? Because I don't have a lot of things left. Goodness gracious. Look at this. This is definitely wrong. So you don't want such a short thingy. So okay, I'm gonna try to open one thing. Look at this. Disaster. Can I fix the disaster that I have made for myself? We will find out. I feel like you can use a safety pin to help yourself. I don't have it. Actually, I do have some here. Okay, I'm gonna open a few. I'm gonna use a safety pin. Wow, thank goodness for these. I hope this is right, and I'm just making holes in her sari. And then I'm just gonna tuck it back in for the second time. And then I'm gonna go around one time and then take this over here. And then take this, you're just gonna fold over here. I feel like this is better. Well, it's still so short. This is supposed to be really long. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna get this right. Trying a third time. 1, 5. Okay, pleats done. Oh, I feel like I have a mess on my hands. There's just so much material. There's so many women here who just every day will wear a sari, and just like how, you know, how? Please work this time. Third time's a charm. Taking my palla. It's just dragging on the floor. It's so long on the other side. Okay, it's better this time. This is long like it's supposed to be. There you go. I think I did it. I think I kind of sort of weirdly did it. Well, yeah, that's basically it. This is how a sari kind of looks like. There you go, I'm done. Thanks for watching, bye. I'm gonna go show my mom now and see if she's proud of me. This is the first time, literally the first time I'm wearing a sari ever in my whole entire life. Considering that, I did a pretty okay job. From what I can see in that viewfinder, it looks pretty good. And if I had a bomb ass blouse with this, I would look so good. Not bad. Dude, I am so proud of myself. Small victories, you know. Oh, frick, everything is falling. No. Guys, update. I showed it to my mom and she loved it. It's all falling down now, but she loved it so much. She was like, let's take pictures. Because we just got done with like church and she was wearing a sari that's exactly the same color combination. And so we took pictures because we look exactly the same. Well, not exact. We look very similar. So we took pictures and I'm gonna put some over here. So here they are. Thanks for watching. Bye.